Morning. Get some fresh air chickens. The yearlings have enough feed here. I noticed I got a couple of calves over here. Some ones that got out, so I'm gonna try something. Sometimes I think it's a lot easier to move cattle by yourself than with help. Puppy, that'll do. Lie down, stay. This one's going in the right direction. That'll do. Sit. Good boy. So I got the wire down over there. Good boy. Oh, that worked. I'm gonna go check the cows. We haven't fed them for a couple of days. I think they have enough hay. I don't think I need to feed them, but I'm gonna go in there and we'll go check them. I gotta buy batteries for it. Shucks. Put the battery charger, let it charge up. I got a few issues with this truck. I need batteries. That's an easy fix. I'm gonna also need, and then my four-wheel drive is always on. I don't know why. We'll try to get that fixed. I'm gonna take the battery charger, that thing charged, and then we're gonna carry on. We're gonna take the bike, which now has a battery that we just turn the switch on. A little chilly. Okay. That's good. They're respecting the wire. Here. Now they're punching this down a little bit. Broke the fence post. Oh, look at that. Broke the fence post. Wow. I think you guys are going to be good for today yet. We got some cattle that are starting to show they're going to be calving in probably about a month. Starting to make some bags on them. I think what I might do is just give them a bale of hay. Stuff is kind of mediocre stuff. But we'll let them finish it off. Hey, got the eggs. It took a while. There's about 80 eggs in there. So the plan is I'm going to work on the 986. I'm going to try to get this thing pushed back together, the clutch in here. This is my clutch. This actually is going to go in like so. Actually goes in like so here. And then when we bring the tractor closer together, these splines here are going to meet up with these splines, but I got to put the pressure plate on as well. And I want to make sure that I've got this thing lined up that goes onto here, because we're going to be going into it blind. Why do I say we're going into it blind? It's because it's you want to line these grooves up properly into here. So I'm not sure, so I don't quite have the right tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this It's an old bolt is what it was, and which I'm going to put it into where this bearing is. And then I'm going to put this over top like that. And then I'm going to put the pressure plate on. And I'll bolt it on, and I'm going to line this up as best I can so it's centered. So this is going to be centered here so that it meets that shaft there. So what we'll do is we're going to line this thing up in here. Okay, we're just going to line up the holes here. We're going to take our tool. And we're going to try to line that up into that bearing. I feel that I've got the clutch and pressure plate in. This shaft here actually goes on our clutch. And this one goes on our pressure plate here. Information that I got here. It says, after installation in flywheel, remove hold down nut from under levers. So these are the levers, and there's actually little nuts underneath here. I'm going to take the end of my screwdriver here. There is a nut right there. Anyways, that needs to come out. But when I start tightening this thing, the nut should come out. You probably can't see it, but what else is happening here, these levers are actually going inside, taking the pressure off that nut now. Oh, one nut, just all it is. This is just a small little nut here that it is. So there's 3 more that have to go. So we got this thing ready to go to be put back together. The clutch is in, the pressure plate is in, and we took these nuts out that were on these levers there. So this thing's ready to go. Well, after 2 hours, I got the unit back together now. Well, we got the 986 running. One with the clutch, we have it out. I don't have the fenders on. There's a little few adjustments I have to make on the clutch. So, but it's working good. And we got it out. Clutches are set. I am pleased. We're just going to change the oils in it. We're going to put brand new hydraulic oil and motor oil as well. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.